Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from rational equations. Equation is 1 minus 2x over x whole power 4 plus 1 minus 3x over x whole cube plus 1 minus 4x over x whole square equal to 2. And we are going to calculate real solutions. So let's get started by writing our denominator cannot be 0. So x cannot be 0. Now I will split my numerators with denominator. So I can write 1 over x minus 2 whole power 4 plus 1 over x minus 3 whole cube plus 1 over x minus 4 whole square equal to 2. Now let us use substitution. I will consider 1 over x minus 2 equal to t. So I will be writing our equation in t as t power 4 plus, if 1 over x minus 2 equal to t, then 1 over x minus 3 will be t minus 1. So t minus 1 whole cube plus 1 over x minus 4 will be t minus 2. So t minus 2 whole square equal to 2. T power 4 plus t minus 1 whole cube plus t minus 2 whole square equal to 2. Let us use a minus b whole cube and a minus b whole square identities. I can write t power 4 plus t cube minus 3t square plus 3t minus 1. This is t minus 1 whole cube plus t square minus 4t plus 4 equal to 2. Let's simplify LHS. T power 4 plus t cube. Then we can write minus 2t square minus t plus 1 equal to 0. Now t cannot be 0. T is not satisfying our equation. So I will divide both sides by t square. This side also by t square. So I can write t square plus t minus 2 minus 1 over t plus 1 over t square equal to 0. Now I will collect t square, 1 over t square and minus 2 in one bracket. So I can write t square plus 1 over t square minus 2, and then we can write t minus 1 over t equal to 0. Now this is one perfect square. It is t minus 1 over t whole square plus t minus 1 over t equal to 0. Now I can take t minus 1 over t common out. So in other bracket it will be t minus 1 over t plus 1 equal to 0. So conclusion, it will be t minus 1 over t equal to 0 or t minus 1 over t plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to solve these equations. Let me write one by one. We will find out answers. T minus 1 over t equal to 0. And second equation is t minus 1 over t plus 1 equal to 0. Let us consider our first equation. I will multiply both sides by t. So I will be writing here t square minus 1 equal to 0. So I can write here t plus 1 times t minus 1 equal to 0. So I can conclude t will be equal to plus minus 1. From this equation, the second one I will multiply with t both sides. So t square minus 1 plus t equal to 0. T square plus t minus 1 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic. We will use quadratic formula. T will be equal to minus b. So minus 1 plus minus square root of b square 1 minus 4ac plus 4 divided by 2a, so 2. So I can write minus 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. So we have 4 solutions, 4 t values, minus 1 plus 1, root 5 minus 1 over 2, and minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. Let me write here t equal to 1 negative 1 root 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now t was our substitution. T was 1 over x minus 2. I will write equal to 1 minus 1 root 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now add 2 to both sides. So I will write 1 over x will be 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1, root 5 minus 1 over 2 plus 2, minus 1 minus root 5 over 2 plus 2. Now we can write 1 over x equal to 3, 1. It will be root 5 minus 1 plus 4. So I can write here 3 plus root 5 over 2. And here I will be writing 3 minus root 5 over 2. This is 1 over x. Now we have to consider reciprocal of 1 over x. Let me write here 1 over x is equal to 1, 3, 3 plus root 5 over 2, 3 minus root 5 over 2. Now I will take reciprocal, so x will become 1 over 1, it is 1. 1 over 3, 2 over 3 plus root 5. Here I will write 2 over 3 minus root 5. Now I will rationalize my denominator for last two solutions. So I will write here 3 minus root 5 multiplication, 3 minus root 5. Here I will multiply my denominator and numerator with 3 plus root 5, 3 plus root 5. So x will become 1, 1 over 3, 2 times 3 minus root 5 over a plus b times a minus b, a square minus b square. Here also 2 times 3 plus root 5, denominator will be 3 square minus root 5 square. So I can write here x equal to 1, 1 by 3, 2 times 3 minus root 5 over 9 minus 5, 2 times 3 plus root 5 9 minus 5. Now denominator 9 minus 5 will be 4. So 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. So we will get our final answer as x equal to 1 by 3, 2 times 3 plus root 5 over 4, 2 times 3 minus root 5 over 4. Now we will cancel 2 and 4 and denominator will be 2 now. So answer will become 1 by 3, 3 plus minus root 5 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye and Happy New Year to all.